Returning. All right, part 2. We're just going over the most missed text question was whether the football crossed the crossbar in the football game or not. So, it did? All right. Do you remember if yours did or not?
I don't remember. I thought it did. Well, look guys, it's the most missed. That means we all got it wrong.
All right, so remember how these work. We always use the voter equation, and we always went to one to find time and the other to use time. So I think we know 47 is the distance in x. A lot of people tried to give me the maximum height, but the maximum height is probably not going to be where it crosses the bar, so that's not going to be helpful.
It's near it.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
That might be what I did. I got some crazy high number though.
Velocity at the initial time is going to be, a velocity initial at time 0 is going, in the x direction, is going to be, oh, I forgot to put the amount in there. Do you remember what it was? Sure, I'm sure you remember the problem.
Yeah. Have more Fig Newtons.
You may come up and get some more.
We're really good.
Can I get it? Can I try it wrong?
Oh my gosh. Come on up. You can try it.
Yes, we can try it.
I have no more plans for my Fig Newtons.
I just want one.
No one else wants
no, if I need some water, my mouth is like getting really big.
Yeah, you may. Awesome. 25 was the miles per hour.
Those miles per hour?
I mean, meters per second.
Okay, I was gonna say, that would change the entire thing. That would be why I got it wrong.
Alright. Let me get my key so I can do the calculations. Alright, so we're going to use in the x direction, we're going to use 25 sine, on the x direction, cosine 30 times time plus 0 because this zeroes out. So, looking at that, I found out that 25 cosine 30 is 22. So I ended up with 47 equals 22 times time.
Divide by 22 on
Yeah.
both sides.
So, would you do that for me?
Yes. 2.1.
2.1 seconds. So we got that from the x direction. And we're going to go to the y direction because this is a question in y. How high is it crossing? Is it crossing way down here, way up here? We're not sure. So we know, though, at 47 meters, it took 2.1 seconds to get to the 47 meter mark. So that's very valuable. So we want to know this. That's what we're looking for. And this one is 25 sine 30. And the time is 2.1 plus 1/2, negative 9.8. Times 2.1 quantity squared. When I did all that, I got 4.6.
I think that's what I got. So I would.
4.6 meters, and I think the question asks how high over if it did go. So if this is 3, it went over 1.6 meters.
Did you finish grading your test?
Yeah, some people got it right. But it's the most missed.
Did you count it if we said yes but then didn't get the difference?
No, you had to show me why. I guess. I might have given you, I'm sure I gave you partial.
Okay.
There was a lot of points on that question, though.
Okay, the original Fig Newtons are the best time. You have to try
Look at your
the original.
paper.
They're too sweet. The original ones are the best, though. I don't like this. I don't like this one.
You want regular?
No name. Emily Davis. I add your bone at your bingo. I did. Here's another paper of yours.
M's face.
No name.
You like it?
No.
I don't like it. I think they're the best.
Alex.
Papers are all over the place.
I'll take it.
Emily Martin.
That's usually the original.
That's me.
What is all this paper in the trash?
Oh, you see.
Yeah!
Whoa!
One must be Hunter's and one
Wait,
must be Brian's.
What'd you get?
No, I didn't beat her after she added the points, but I beat her before she beat points. I got a 91 and then added
This
points.
is your writing.
I got a 94 with the points. With the points. Haha! And the last page.
Oh, dang.
Probably too.
And this is
Where's
Hunter's. Whose paper got separated?
Oh, that's not that bad. Okay, go.
Whose paper got separated? Emily Martin. And you had your name on it.
Oh, that was mine.
Yeah.
Oh, I did.
Wait, which one was the
Wait,
that? Yeah, where's the goalpost one?
It is number.
This Was it like
Oh, it's
Number 16.
wait 16?
16.
Hey, I got that one right. No, I didn't get that one right.
I got 11.
Well,
See, look, I got this really big number.
Yeah, I got it right.
I
I
was
told you people got it right.
I got this like
What you do
super
wrong?
big number. I don't know what I did wrong.
Okay.
I did everything wrong.
Did you like my answer for the projectile, Miss Powell? Because you were like, does it have a parabolic pack? And I said yes, because it's a projectile.
Woo!
And by definition, projectile. I knew that was gonna be wrong, but I
Wait,
didn't know.
is there a hole punch?
And then I
Is there a
circled the
hole punch in
word
this room?
projectile.
A hole punch.
Oh, yeah. Look around on that desk over there. Oh, there's
no, I
one
got
right
that
in the
right.
hall.
How many do you
Alright,
got? I don't
okay.
know. Like, entirely. I got mine.
I forgot measurements.
Wait, are we still recording all of this?
Yeah, maybe we should,
Should I stop?
yeah, go ahead and start.
Goodbye.
We'll start up in a minute. We're just looking over our tests. Okay.